for him, it's like a time to organize his thoughts, and for me, it's just like survival. Like, hang on
It's
there.
another way of surviving.
When did you first start the music?
Making music?
Interest in music and everything.
Interested in music. Since I was in my mama's belly.
You were born with music.
Yeah, my mom's a pianist. My dad's a conductor.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they
Wow.
both went to Germany
Wow,
for grad
that's
school
awesome.
to study together. My dad was playing the flute. My mom was playing the piano.
Oh,
Yeah.
So it's in your genes.
Yeah, but the funny thing is that my parents wasn't able to understand the genre that I was pursuing. Yeah, they're very classical,
Yeah.
classic music heavy, and I was like pursuing like R&B or like indie pop, hip hop. You know, so they were like, those are not music. You should do classic music. But yeah, they gave me the DNA.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I guess you grew up in an environment where like music is your like it's just blended into your
Yeah,
life.
every day.
But when did you start taking it seriously? Like, oh, this is gonna be like the biggest part of my life.
2018.
2018.
I think that's when I went full throttle. Yeah. It's like
How old were you?
28? I don't know. 2018?
Like 24?
Yeah. I think so, yeah. 24, 20, 23, 24, yeah. It's like, if I don't do this, I think I'm gonna regret.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah. So,
So did you like major like music?
me? No, I actually major in psychology.
Oh.
Yeah, but I actually took year and a half of a music theory class.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, one, 2, 3, 4. And then
Crescendo stuff.
Crescendo, endo, forte.
You made it.
Yeah,
I dropped out.
I mean, it was super fun, but yeah, starting 2018. But but I had a lot of because being in the industry, you have to be you can't be a nice person to survive in this industry, and I think I went with a very like an open mind, healthy mindset, and I got trampled by a lot of different people. And there was a moment of my life where I kind of took a break. Yeah. And starting 2023, that's when I kind of picked up music again and started to roll out music and started to kind of build my foundations again. Yeah. And now I'm here.
So, what was the biggest reason to make you decide to pick up the music again and like?
It's like
go all
having
in?
like you're in a toxic relationship. Even though it's toxic, like you still want to pursue it, you know. And like I said before, I know if I completely give up music, I'm gonna regret it because music is my life, or just art in general. Yeah.
So, do you like feel most comfortable when you're like singing or like in your studio?
Yeah, in my elements, definitely. I feel like I'm in my own playground.
Do you also play any instrument?
Drums, bass, yeah, but mostly on a MIDI.
MIDI?
Yeah, everything on MIDI. Yeah, sampling.
Sampling? What was sampling?
Costco.
Costco.
Yeah. I always like envied people who can create music because it's like a ability to express your feelings and everything. Like most of the people can write their thoughts and feelings,
Right.
but like music is a different like way to express yourself.
Right.
But I also my mom used to play the piano a lot, so I learned the piano, and I also learned to flute too. But I was only at the level where I can just read and play, not create or
Right.
compose or anything. But like I really like envy you.
I feel the same way for you guys. Yeah, because actually, two of my best friends are in what is it? They're IT tech. Yeah, developing software and stuff. So I always hear them talking about it. I think it's pretty tight. Yeah, it's changing the world. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
like how do you get inspiration? Like if you write a new song, like how does it work? Like does it
Oh.
just come up?
I think 90% of the times it comes from myself. You know that saying of life comes from you? I think you should definitely apply those elements when you're making music. Yeah, you can make those like simple pop music too, which is really hard to make. But I think my type of music is it should come from your own experience. And I feel the same way about healing the world, changing the world. I want to be able to change the world through my experience as well. I want people to resonate with my lyrics, the feelings that I'm carrying when I'm making the music. But to answer your question, it comes from my own experience.
You have a moment that you feel like, oh, I want to express this into a song.
Yeah,
And then you write lyrics and the melody and stuff.
it comes very random. So I'm just like 2 days ago, I was just walking, and I'm like, oh, idea, and then I would just
Wow.
open up my voice note and I
Oh.
just start humming the melody.
Wow.
Yeah, and then just lyrics that just kind of pops into my head. Like, oh, and then just
That's interesting.
and then
Wow.
okay, I have this top, like we call it top line. Yeah, we call it and I send it over to my producer. Hey, what do you think about this? And he will listen to my top line and make a beat around it as well. Hey, so I have the skeleton beat ready for you. When you come into our session, maybe we could build this together.
Wow.
Yeah.
How often do you get those moments?
Oh, it's very random. But these days, I've been cranking. Yeah, cranking music right now.
Is like different culture in Korea kind of help you with, your music?
Inspiration?
Yeah, inspiration. and
At
everything.
first, it was actually the opposite. It was really difficult for me to get inspired, get
In a new
inspiration
environment.
in Korea, because it felt like, explain this. Damn, are we trying to get deep?
Can if you want to.
똑같은 삶.
Oh, routine.
Yeah, this routine of like nothing's new.
Yeah.
So seeing that every day kind of made me feel jaded for some time. So I think that's one of the reasons why I started traveling outside of Seoul, like or Gyeongju,
Yeah.
like Donghae or like Yeosu, like just to get different inspirations, vibes. But now it's like, it's a bit different now.
How was it different when you're in the States? Like, how were your routine kind of different that gave you more inspiration?
Yeoyu.
You.
Yeah, I think that's the best way to put it. Yeoyu gave me the sense of peace and freedom for me to bring all these ideas and be able to kind of compartmentalize my thoughts. But here it's like this survival mode.
Always on schedule.
Yeah, always on schedule. You have to do this. Like even after you're done with work, it's like taking a bus or train.
So many people.
Yeah. So you, it's like you're overly stimulated, and once you come back home, you're like burnt out. I'm like, okay, let's just eat and just go to sleep.
Yeah.
So you don't really have that time to like collect and organize your thoughts. Maybe on the weekends for sure, but yeah, I think
I think
that's
even with the weekend, like if you try to go out, hang out, you always start with people.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's very big difference when you're in state.
Yeah.
Because you start with your area, your place. I think that's very different.
Yeah, because I go to the park with my dog and spend like 2 to 3 hours there.
Yeah.
Just lay down, look at the sky, take notes, listen to podcasts or read some books. Hang out with my dog. But I can't even do that anymore.
I guess traveling probably helps a lot, but you can't travel like every day.
Yeah.
Like, is there any tips that you do every day? Try to find some time to like empty your head.
I think as of right now, running has been helping. What I like to do is, it might be different for everyone, but say if I'm running a 10K, so for 1K I'll expand on one topic, and then 2K I'll expand on this topic. So I'll try to organize what I want to like organize before we're going for a run. Yeah, because when you run, you get to just like you're still simulated. Like you get to see people, you're listening to music, so you're like trying to organize your thoughts, but still kind of difficult. Personally, for me, So I like to just write down what I want to kind of organize for that night or for that day. And yeah, and I like to run. And once I'm done, I like to just kind of write down my thoughts. I'm like, okay, this is what I thought about. This is my intake. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So I think running has been helping me a lot these days, especially living in Seoul.
I do love running and the same reason.
Right.
Like it helps me reset. But I think like the situation is very different because for him it's like a time to organize his thoughts, and for me it's just like survival. Like, hang on
It's
there.
another way of survival. Yeah.
So like,
The same
it
thing.
really
Yeah.
helps me empty my brain. I don't have any like room to think of other stuff. It's just
Right.
like, hang on. Almost there.
Almost there.
Yeah, and then like when I like reach the goal, I'm just like laying down on the ground and
Yeah.
I'm like, so, I don't have any like spare.
Yo, you-
to,
no, yo, you.
Yeah.
Yo, you.
Take out my phone. No, nothing. But anyways, I still accomplish what I want, like
Yeah.
resetting my brain.
I don't think there's a right or wrong answer. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways,
But it's interesting
yeah.
that you're using that time of running to
Yeah.
kind of organize things
Yeah.
and actually come up with the ideas.
Yeah.